Hello students, hope all of you are fine. So dear children, we had done the C3 plants and C4 plants. Today I want to discuss some difference between the C3 plants and C4 plants. Okay, so C3 plants, okay, optimum temperature for photosynthesis is 10 to 25 degrees Celsius. In C4, the optimum temperature is 30 to 45 degrees Celsius. C3 plants atmospheric concentration of oxygen, that is 21%, reduce the rate of photosynthesis, which is optimum at 2 to 4% oxygen concentration. Okay, and in case of C4 plant, that is Hertzsprung cycle, there is no such effect, okay, of concentration of oxygen. Next we have is the saturation point is reached at 10 to 70% of full sunlight in case of the C3 plant, but in case of C4 plant, the saturation point is not reached even at full sunlight. The rate of net photosynthesis at optimum sunlight is 15 to 35 mg carbon dioxide per dm square per hour. Okay, but in case of C4 plant, the rate of net photosynthesis is at full sunlight is 40 to 80 mg carbon dioxide per dm square per hour. Now, leaves do not possess cranch anatomy in C3 plants and leaves have cranch anatomy in C4 plants. The chloroplasts do not have peripheral reticulum, okay, in case of C3 plants, and in case of C4 plant, chloroplasts have the peripheral reticulum. Chloroplasts are of one type, that is monomorphic in case of the C3 plants, and there are two types of chloroplasts, that is dimorphic in case of C4 plants. Bundle sheath cells usually do not contain chloroplast in case of C3 plants. Bundle sheath cells possess prominent chloroplast in C4 plants. In higher plants operating C3 cycle, the chloroplasts are all granule, okay, but there are two types of chloroplast, granule in mesophyll cells and agranule in bundle sheath cells in case of C4 plant. Ribulose biphosphate is the first acceptor of carbon dioxide in case of C3 plants, and phosphoenol pyruvate is the first acceptor of carbon dioxide, while ribulose biphosphate is the second acceptor in case of C4 plant. Now, phosphoglyceric acid is the first product of the photosynthesis in C3 plants, and oxaloacetic acid is the first product of the C4 plant. The plant operate only Calvin cycle in the C3 plant, and in C4 plant the dicarboxylic acid cycle in addition to Calvin cycle operates. Okay. Now, carbon dioxide compensation point is 25 to 100 parts per million in case of C3 plants, and carbon dioxide compensation point is 0 to 10 parts per million, that is ppm. Mesophyll cells perform complete photosynthesis in C3 plants, and mesophyll cells perform only initial fixation in C4 plants. The rate of carbon assimilation is slow in case of the C3 plant, and the rate of carbon assimilation is quite rapid in the C4 plant. The plants are unable to perform photosynthesis at very low carbon dioxide concentration, say 10 to 50 parts per million, but photosynthesis continue even at very low concentration of carbon dioxide. In case of the C4 plants, you can say up to 10 to 50 parts per million also. Okay, the rate of photorespiration is quite high in case of C3 plant, and rate of photorespiration is negligible in C4 plant. At low temperature, C3 plants are more efficient, while at high temperature their photosynthetic activity is comparatively reduced. So C4 plants are less efficient than the C3 plants at low temperature, but they have higher net assimilation at high temperature. In C3 plant, the cycle operates in all plants. Okay, C3 cycle operate in all the plants. The cycle is found only in some plant, that is C4 cycle is found in only some plants. Okay, the plants are adapted to all types of climate. In case of C3 plant, and the C4 plants are adapted to the tropical climate only. The C3 plants usually cannot tolerate saline condition, but C4 plants can tolerate the halophytic condition, that is the saline environment. Okay, now C3 plants usually cannot tolerate, that is a fixation of one molecule of carbon dioxide use 3 ATP and 2 NADPH in case of the C3 plants, and in case of C4 plant the fixation of one molecule of carbon dioxide require 5 ATP and 2 NADPH. The C3 plant usually perform photosynthesis only when stomata are open, but in case of C4 plant, they perform photosynthesis even when stomata are closed from carbon dioxide produced in the respiration. Now, photosynthesis stop under the condition of water stress in case of C3 plant, and in C4 plant the photosynthesis is appreciable even under the condition of the water stress. So these was the difference between, these were some of the difference between the C3 plants and the C4 plants.